Another type of cataract we call the nuclear cataract. Yeah, it's not so popular, you know. People may feel, people may feel, you know, something brown and amber, you know, opacity, and the lens tend to block, and then and sometimes we could call them black cataract. Yeah. Okay. So the transparent of this is not too bad. Still transparent, but the people's vision doesn't, you know, don't have good quality. This disease progresses pretty slowly, and the opacity of the cortex may not occur for several years. This is senile nuclear cataract. So that is the general manifestation of the cataract. What's caused it? Cataract reason. There are more than 7 reasons. You know, mostly people noticed it could be heritage, come from a gene, or maybe because of aging, maybe because of the metabolism. And recently people have a lot of, you know, our environment is not so good as used to be. People may explode on the toxicity, like chemicals, or a lot of people regularly take medication. So in the clinic, I see a lot of patients take more than 5 tablets every day, you know, several times, you know, maybe twice, maybe 3 times a day. A lot of medication finally accumulate in the body and gradually cause toxicity accumulation inside the body. That's could be another reason cause cataract. So one hand, especially people notice that something like you know, painkillers and for the you know, rheumatoid, you know, arthritis, something like anti-inflammatory medication. So this is all in high risk. Also, sometimes people use the hormones replacement treatment. They all high risk. And besides this, something like radiation and trauma include some inflammation and or malnutrition. Sometimes people could cause cataract just because you don't have good nutrition. Okay, so this is the most common reason Western medicine believe. Okay, the Chinese medicine from a textbook, okay, they always mention that cataract could be caused by these 4 reasons. The first one is deficiency of liver and kidney. Liver kidney deficiency is the first reason. And second reason could be insufficiency of essence and blood. It's somewhat is similar like malnutrition type of cataract. And actually the central cataract, it's pretty common, right? Because of this nutrition problem. This is why it's always happened in the senior citizens. And sometimes people may have a stagnation of qi and blood, all right, and dysfunctioning of spleen. They cannot give body qi and blood. That's what, you know, the textbook says. And here I didn't list here, and the mostly I really believe is, I think a cataract in somewhat is a stomach problem. I guess you guys still remember yesterday I put a picture of eyeball on a slide. I said anterior chamber include the cornea and sclera and conjunctiva supported upper jaw. And iris, lens, and cineary, and choroid membranes. These tissues somewhat kind of like retina is a middle jaw. Is a middle jaw. On fundus of the eye is a lower jaw. This is what I mentioned yesterday. Okay, if that it is, the lens is the stomach. Okay, so most some of the Chinese medicine book mention that cataract actually just the stomach, so it's a stomach problem because stomach has so much turbidity, and this turbidity will corresponding to the eye and cause cataract. Believe it or not, I somewhat believe. And how stomach turbidity will cause cataract because of something lift them up. What lift them up? Only one thing, right? I mentioned yesterday, liver qi, because the liver stay in the lower jaw and then always move upward, always move upward. So this energy always ascending and lift the kidney qi up to the upper jaw and try to execute our body's circulation and communication. So this energy goes through the stomach and carry all this turbidity to the eyes.